Hello children, hope you must be safe and doing well. Children, today we are going to start our chapter 2, our body systems. So children, if we have to make a building, what comes first in our mind? That is bricks. Because bricks are the building blocks of a building. Similarly, the cells are the building blocks of our body. Okay, our body is made up of small structures that are known as cells. Okay, so what are cells? Our body is made up of small structures called cells. Okay, this type of structures. Now, cells are building blocks of our body. So, cells are called the smallest functional unit of our body. Okay. Now, children, many cells join together to form a tissue. Clear? After that, many tissues join together and they form organ. Organ mean like we have many organs in our body: kidney, heart, lungs. So this type of organ formed by tissues. Then these organs join together and form an organ system. Okay, organ systems like we have nervous system, digestive system, okay, skeletal system. So these organs join together to form an organ system, and many organ systems work together and they form an organism. Organism, for example, human beings. Clear? So children, we have learned that many cells join together to form tissues. Tissues form organs. Organs form organ system, and organ systems function together to form organism. But is there any organism which is made up of only one cell? Yes, there are many small organisms which are made up of only one cell. They are known as microorganism. Okay, an example of microorganism like bacteria and amoeba. They are so small that we cannot see them with naked eyes. Okay, because they are made up of only one cell, and this is the smallest functional unit of our body. Cell is the smallest functional unit of our body. So microorganisms are very small and they are made up of only one cell. So children, in this chapter we are going to learn about the different organ systems. And what is organ system? Just now I have told you. When few organs function together, okay, and make a system. For example, our digestive system, okay, our mouth, food pipe, stomach, these all organs work together, okay, and complete a major function of our body, that is called digestive system. Okay, so they form a system. So what is organ system? Few organs carry out one major function for the body. They form organ system. Okay. And the different organ systems help a body to function properly. When our nervous system, digestive system, all systems will function together and properly, then our body will function properly. Okay, so the different organ systems help a body to function properly. So children, there are 8 important systems in our body. They are, first one is the skeletal system. So bony structure of our bones. The muscular system, muscles. Okay. Then the nervous system, which contains our sense organs. Then the circulatory system that controls the flow of blood, and the respiratory system or breathing system. The digestive system controls our digestion of food. the reproductive system, giving birth, and the excretory system, removing waste from our body. So these 8 are important organ system in our body, and in this chapter we are going to learn about them. So children, first one is the skeletal system. Children, we all know in our body we have different type of bones. Okay, these bones join together and form a framework of bones. Okay, that framework of bones is known as skeleton. This one, this they all bones join together and form a framework, and this is known as skeleton. Now this skeleton supports our body and give it a definite and particular shape. Okay, so this system is known as skeletal system. So children, this is skeletal system. You see, this is comprises of a bony framework that is called skeleton. Okay, and this skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Okay, also it protects our internal organs. For example, this skull part, this upper part is called skull. It protects our brain. Similarly, this rib cage, it protects our internal organ like heart and lungs. Okay, so in next class you will know more about this skeletal system. So children, what we have learned about the skeletal system? The skeletal system comprises of a bony framework, and this bony framework is known as skeleton. Clear? And what are the functions of skeletal system? It gives shape and support to our body, and framework of bones also protects our internal organs. So children, now next one is our muscular system, and this is our muscular system. Okay, here all this muscular system is made up of muscles, and these muscles are attached to the bones, and because of these muscles and bones we can move, we can sit, we can pick up something. Okay, so these muscles helps us to move. So children, what we have learned about the muscular system? This system is made up of muscles, and muscles are attached to the bones. What is the function of muscular system? It helps in body movement. And how many muscles are there? There are more than 500 muscles in our body, and there are 206 bones in our body. Now children, in this chapter we will do this much today, and now we will solve worksheet 1 and exercise questions of chapter 1 which you have got in your home assignments 1 and 2. Clear? Some students have done it correctly, but some students have done mistakes in that. So kindly match your answers with my answers and do the corrections if needed. Okay, so worksheet 1 is given on page number 10 in your book. So first question of worksheet 1 is unscramble the letters to reveal 3 things that all living things can do. So when you unscramble first one, you will get breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Now second one will be reproduce, R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E, reproduce. Then third one is grow, G-R-O-W, grow. Now second question is write whether each statement is true or false. First one, animals can move to different places. Yes, this is true. B, humans can move parts of their body. Yes, this is also true. Then C, plants can move to different places. No, this is false. Now D is living organisms do not grow. This is false. Now third one is complete these sentences by filling in the blanks. Here in first blank you will write reproduction, R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. In second you will write E-double-G-S, X. And in third, you will write young ones. Y-O-U-N-G, young. O-N-E-S, ones. Now question number 4. Answer the following questions. Name 2 things that all living things can do. You will write living things grow and reproduce. Now second one, what is the color of majority of plants? You all know most plants are of green color. Now how many nostrils do you have? 2. TWO 2. Now here next question is label the following. So first one you will label, this is seed, then this is seedling, SEEDLING, and this is plant, PLANT, plant. Here you have to label. So this is nostrils, NOSTRILS. Then here it is air is taken in and here air is given out. Okay. Now next one is tick the correct answer. A plant which is very sensitive and close its leaves on touching is option C, touch me not. The name of the plant is touch me not. So children, now we will solve worksheet 2 of chapter 1 given on page number 14. Question 1 is unscramble the letters. When you will unscramble first one, you will get movement, MOVEMENT, movement. Then second one you will get breathing, BREATHING, breathing. Then third one you will get food, FOOD, food. Now question number 2, true and false. First one is animals are fixed to the ground. This is false. Second, plants cannot move from one place to another. Yes, this is true. Third one, mushroom is a plant which cannot make its own food. Yes, this is true. D1 is mushroom is a rich source of protein. Yes, this is also true. Now question number 3, complete the sentences by filling in the blanks. Here in first, plants take air through small pores known as, you all know, stomata, STOMATA, you will write here. Then most animals have lungs, LUNGS, lungs for breathing. Fish have gills, 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 and insects have spiracles, SPIRACLES, to help them to breathe. Now next question, question 5 is tick the correct answer. What do plants need for making their food? Yes, we all know air, sunlight and water. These are required for plant to making food. So you tick them out. Now then name the following. Question number 4. First one, this is lungs, LUNGS. Then second one is gills, GILLS. Third one spiracles, SPIRACLES. And fourth one is mushroom, MUSHROOM, mushroom. So children, we have solved worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. If any correction is there, just do it in your book so that you won't do any mistake in your exams. Okay, exercise questions of chapter 1 we will do in our next video. Until our next video, be safe, stay at home and take care.